Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick demo on how to basically purchase whatever meme tokens you want to using your OpenChat wallet and transferring ICP tokens to FOMOWell in order to buy this Pirate DAO token is what I'm going to buy today. Now if you're not familiar with OpenChat, it's a social media platform where you can create communities, groups, do giveaways, polls, very similar to Discord, but like way better. You can see this Pirate DAO group has a lot of activity. They're growing, and they're going to do tons and tons of burns here in the future. So this is a coin that I'm looking at for a long-term hold. So to invest in it, you can go down to these links right here. They have it on KongSwap and ICPX, I don't know what the correct pronunciation is on that. But what I did is I bought them directly on FOMOWell. So you can click the link right here, and it takes you over here. You're already signed in. You can see the market cap and everything. So once you get signed in, you can click here up at your username, and you'll get your principal ID address right here and an account ID address as well. You can copy either one of those, then head back over to OpenChat. Now you can open up your OpenChat wallet by clicking these three bars, wallet, and then you want to send ICP. Click send. You just paste in that address, and usually you want to start with a very small amount just to make sure the transaction is going to work and you don't lose your tokens. I'm only going to send a quarter of an ICP, and I've already tested my address so I know it works, but I'd recommend sending like 0.01 ICP or something like that for your first transaction just to make sure you don't lose your tokens. So you can send that, wait for it to do its thing. Alright, there it goes. So now you can head over here to FOMOWell, refresh it. So now you can go back into your profile right here, and you can see that that quarter of an ICP did show up. So now it's just as easy as clicking buy right here and just typing in the amount you want to purchase. You can see that as of right now, I'm going to get 180,000 pirate and buying that dip. Click place trade, wait for that to work its magic a little bit. Now I'll also show you how to import it into the NNS, because as of right now, on January 15th, 2025, you are not able to send the tokens back to OpenChat yet. So what I'm doing is I'm storing them in my NNS wallet just to hold them there. There we go. Now getting them out of FOMOWell is something that has been giving me some issues as of lately. For the first 2 weeks you couldn't send any of the tokens out of here, but now you should be able to click your username, and I'll show you how to send them out, but it does take a little bit of time for it to kind of catch up. So in the meantime, I'll show you how to add the token into your NNS wallet. So you can scroll down and you see this canisters overview tab right here. You can click the copy button for the token canister right here. Then you can head on over to your NNS account, scroll all the way down to the bottom in your tokens page, click import token. Now this is the ledger canister ID, so you can just paste it there, click next. There you see the Pirate DAO, the ticker, and the logo. You can import it. Boom. Simple as that. Now you have a token in your NNS that represents your pirate tokens. So you can click you can copy your principal ID address in here. It's the same for all these other tokens, so if you click on like CKETH, for example, that should be the exact same address. So it really doesn't matter which one of these you click, but just to be sure, I click there. Head back over to FOMOWell. Now to get them off of FOMOWell, you want to click your username, and then it'll bring you up to this panel again, and click your username again. Now this is where it's been giving me some hurdles. You might have to come back in like 30 minutes or so, and they should show up, so I'm going to try to refresh. And you can see in the top left here too, it shows my pirate transaction of 0.25 ICP. It shows the whole community. So I'm going to try this again in about 30 minutes or maybe 10 minutes just to see. For some reason the tokens just take a while to load sometimes, so you might have to give it a minute. Alright, so I came back after 50 minutes, pretty much exactly, and the tokens showed up. So you're just going to have to step away for about an hour, refresh it, and your tokens will be right here. In the meantime, you still can trade them through here. This is basically like a mini DEX, where you can like buy and sell, and then you can send your ICP out. Or if you wanted the pirate tokens, just click on your username, wait a couple of seconds for it to load. I'll try to refresh it. While I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and, since it's been 50 minutes, I'm going to make sure that I have the correct address. So I'm just going to come back into my NNS wallet and copy that principal ID. Come back over to FOMOWell. You can see the pirate tokens here. So for your first transactions, I like to send like one, just to make sure it's actually going to send. So you can just paste in that address and send it. And as you can see here, we'll refresh. And that one pirate token showed up. So now we know we're good to go with that address. So before you click send again, you're going to need to refresh, because since I sent one token, it hasn't deducted it from this balance. This is pretty new. I expect that over the next couple weeks, they're going to make it to where you don't have to wait an hour almost to get your tokens out of here. And I'm sure they'll update this where you don't have to refresh it every time too. So this time I'm going to send the max amount, and I'm just going to paste that same principal ID, confirm the transaction. Boom, transfer successful. Okay, go back over here to the NNS wallet, and there they are. So a couple quick notes. As of right now, we don't have any, we don't have the Pirate DAO token on the OpenChat token list. That'll be coming in the future. So don't send your tokens to OpenChat quite yet. I'd keep an eye out on that and make sure that they do have it in here before you send them here. This isn't financial advice. I'm just showing you what I'm doing with a project that I like and I think has some good potential and a really nice community. Lots of giveaways, and they're going to do a lot of burns in the future. And come check us out. We've already got 1,800 members here in the Pirate DAO, and we'd love to have you. Thank you for watching. Do your own research on any of these projects that you want to invest in on FOMOWell. They're very low market cap and just created most of the time by someone like you or I, just a random Joe Schmo. You can actually create your own meme tokens on here. But just be very careful in what you invest in, because some of this stuff does get rugged pretty frequently. So you just got to make sure that the team behind it's trusted and seems like an actual good project.